Hello everyone, in this video I will present a summary result from the journal documentary film Time Equals Knowledge using expository type. Content of presentation. Background. From the background, the author discusses about globalization is a process of world community order that can cause positive and negative impact. The city of Batam is one of the cities in Indonesia that experience impact of globalization on youth, where the lifestyle of its people, especially among young people, experience change. Apart from the rapid technological development of modern lifestyle, hanging out is one of the activities that can have negative impact. Problem. The negative effect that results from globalization itself has become a problem we face in modern times. The number of technology and new things that are brought in this era of globalization. Many young people today do not take their time well and even harm other communities. Limitation. This paper discusses information media in the form of the documentary film that inspiration young people to carry out positive activity. Number 2, the documentary film Time Equals Knowledge, which was researched using the expository test. The objectives of study: make a documentary film with the Indonesia educator, social teacher community who carry out social activity in the field of education, where these activities are in the form of learning and playing activity to gain knowledge that they have not yet gained in school. Significance of study. Number 1, inspiring young people to do positive activity. Number 2, time equals knowledge means that time is the same as knowledge. Review of literature. At this stage, the activity performed is seeking a reference about idea and information about documentary film expository. Analysis and design. Obtaining data to be processed and analyzing using Likert scale method. If their approval level in the questionnaire meets the requirement of the 5 gradations described by Likert and assignment, after obtaining, it can be seen the message contained in the documentary. The information can be deciphered clearly and effectively or otherwise. Finding. This tech documentary is a text that contains the description of the production process of the film. Shooting video activity and video interview, post-production, and testing. Conclusion. Film the documentary, the type of expository, becomes one of the appropriate media to convey information factual. Suggestion. Increase information about the existence of the teacher community in Batam City because it is still little. Sorry if there is something wrong in the word and material. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye. Dadah.